Wait. If you do these mistakes, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you found some useful thing in this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Teachers, if you are decorating your classroom, watch till the end because these 3 mistakes are ruining all your hard work. Mistake number 1. Too many colors. Using too many colors, look at this board. So many colors, kids can't focus. They just stare. Research says more than 3 colors in your classroom kill focus. But I have a solution. So stick to one base color and one theme color like white plus yellow. It look clean and kids can study. Mistake number 2. Hanging things too high. Putting everything near the ceiling, we think it look nice up high, but the truth is, kid can't even see it. I did this too. I put a chart so high, no student looked at it the whole year. But I have a solution. Everything should be at kids' eye level, between 3 feet to 5 feet, so they can read and touch it. Mistake number 3. One-time use decor. Making decor that gets ruined in 1 month. Always use reusable material, laminate it or use plastic sheets. See this hanging it has been 2 years and is still good. Work once, use all year. So teachers, avoid these 3 mistakes and make your classroom smart. Comment below which mistake you used to make and subscribe for more teacher tips. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.